it's been a couple hours getting the motor ready to pull. It's basically there. I just need to wait for my hoist plate to come in tomorrow. I can't find the one I have, but took the headers off, all the front, radiator, the intercooler. Gonna be pulling this and doing a 408 stroker. It's being built right now, so hopefully a couple weeks, maybe end of January, to be ready. And my plan is to sand everything down. I'm gonna reroute all the wiring on the inside of this fender, probably with the MSD as well. I'm gonna build a box underneath with a rubber seal, so that way it doesn't get wet or anything being underneath there. And then all these vacuum hoses that go to the headlights, I'm gonna run on the inside of this fender, or maybe down below in the frame, because it is a mess. I want it to be just motor. So I want it clean, I want it to look good. I've got the RPM air gap that's going on the new motor, and so what I'm going to do is put a vacuum block underneath it and then run it out to where it needs to go. So I'll have it going to the boost controller box, I'll have it going to the pressure regulator, the blow off valve, so it'll be really clean underneath there. And I'm going to route the wires similar to how I had it around each of the valve covers. Hopefully the tall ones that I have, I can make it work, but it's going to be nice and clean. The water pump, I'm going to be doing an electric pump, new brackets for the power steering and alternator, so should look nice and clean. And depending on how much room I have, maybe come tax time, I might be twin charging it, having the Torque Storm supercharger here and then the twin turbos in the back of the car, so that way I'm not worrying about, any lag or anything. And I think it'll be really unique having the twin charged rear mount 1970 Cougar. So might be going a little too much, but it'll be fun.